I visited a super tiny country. To give you guys some context, I'm on a huge tour with my family right now, which consists of traveling to numerous countries, and I have a mission to document my experience.
And I'm in Liechtenstein. I don't know how to pronounce it. We have arrived here. We're gonna go and explore. This is gonna be kind of a short video, but I think this is cool enough, I guess. It's one of the smallest countries. I think it's 4th smallest. So, yeah. Let's go check everything out, I guess.
You heard that right. Liechtenstein is the 4th smallest country in the world. The area of the country is an astounding 62 miles long. Not to mention, the country only has 38,000 residents. So this country is pretty small. But now we're heading to the center so we can go and explore some of the country.
Alright guys, this country is mainly for the rich, for the most part. As far as I know, a lot of rich people live over here. When we were passing over here to enter the country, we literally saw a Lamborghini. I don't know if you saw that. Yeah, they got all these watch brands, which Switzerland is mainly known for, I guess. We're gonna go and look around a little bit, but this is the main, center of the country, I guess. They got a casino over there, so we're gonna go check out this whole area. It'll be pretty cool.
We walked into this building which had a variety of stuff to buy from, souvenirs to toys, and they had a lot of toys. A little concerning. Anyways, we left the store to go look around the area. The buildings were very unique and the streets were very strange as well.
Yeah guys, there's not a lot to show really. I mean, it is really small, like it said. Once you exit this area, you're pretty much out of the country. But I'm gonna go and explore, see if I could get anything more interesting.
We walked around for another 30 minutes until we saw this. Statues. There were a ton of statues, which quite frankly were really ugly, and some were outright disturbing.
Bro, what the heck? What the heck? What the heck is this thing, dude? What the heck? So weird.
While I was busy looking at the statues, this happened to my brother.
Alright, Zach. What happened?
I just walked through the door and it stopped on me.
Really? You want to demonstrate again?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh my gosh! Yeah, dude, it's squirting on you?
No, see that thing right there? It shoots a thing over here, and it's just sitting there, like, it's like an archway,
So it's like kind of
and it just randomly stopped. This archway was a trap, and I wanted nothing to do with it. So like any logical person, you leave and you go to the museum. The museum had some interesting stuff about the country's origins and a lot of souvenirs. But to enter the actual museum, you had to pay. And you already know I'm not doing that, so I left. But when I left, I happened to see quite a few people looking at this trap thingy. And just like the nice person I am, I told them nothing. I wanted to see someone get squirted on. And eventually, I saw it happen.
Dude, how is it not going off? Your luck is horrible, Zach. It did.
Now that I witnessed that, I was ready to leave.
Alright guys, I think that concludes our tour of one of the tiniest countries in the world. Definitely interesting, had some interesting statues, I will say. Yeah, that's all the time we have for this journey. We're gonna head back to the bus, but yeah, beautiful scenery here, beautiful area, I guess. Yeah, this is Liechtenstein. I got it. So yeah, that's it. Peace out.
Liechtenstein was definitely a cool sight to see, and I'm glad I stopped my day to go visit. Even though it's super tiny, it still has a lot to offer, and I definitely recommend to check it out if you have the chance. If you at all enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and be notified when I upload my next video in Austria, so stay tuned. Also, if you're interested in seeing the behind the scenes, make sure to follow my Instagram. It is much appreciated. Thank you for watching.